one, really quick, easy, half up style to do on yourself. Let's go. So just decide which bits that you want to leave down. I want this style to be really, really quick today, so I'm not going to do any back comb, barely any products. So I'm just deciding how much to leave down, and that is about right. So next you're just going to grab half of that hair up like so. I don't really want any kind of lift or volume around this area today. I'm not going to go super tight, but just a nice firm grip. Then just going to place this into a ponytail. Mess it up a little bit. Next I'm going to divide this into 3 and we're going to do a really quick messy braid. Pull in on one side. Don't worry if bits pop out. Just coming round to the front because I can't actually reach anymore. Like that. And then you'll take this braid and just twirl it around like that so the little tail hangs out the bottom, and you can just give this a little bit of a pull and pin this into place, and then I'm going to tell you how to just make this area look a little bit prettier. So taking a long hair grip, I'm going to stab the bun and then stab the hair on the head and then push through. Okay, so I kind of like these little bits hanging down, but I feel like this bit, especially with my extensions, looks a bit sparse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take hold of a little piece of hair like that. I'm going to take it underneath this tail, back around the top, and then just pin that there. I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm going to reach underneath again, find myself a little section, making sure I go underneath all the tail bits, back over the top and pin that there. So this is what it looks like from the front. You can put a bit of volume there if you want to, and then spinning around, you've just got that nice little bit of detail on the side. You can pull that bun as much as you want to, and then these little bits cascading down, and that is the hairstyle.